Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So the first thing I would like you to think about is we are looking at the area of a triangle. So how do we get the area of a triangle? Well, without using trig, we know the area of a triangle is half of a square and a rectangle. So we normally go, well, it's half base times height, because base times height divided by 2 and we get the triangle. So if we are thinking about that, we are using two things to get the area. We are using the base and we are timesing it with the height, and then we are dividing it by 2. So if we can use our trig understanding to help us out. So with trig, if I draw a triangle, as soon as I do the height, everything turns into a right angled triangle. So the right angle, if I'm thinking about what am I using height with, I am using it with the height, and I'm also using the this as well, this side here, hypotenuse. So I am using sine. So to find sine, I can go, well, sine. What is sine again? Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I want to get the opposite by itself. To get the opposite by itself, I times both sides by h, and it becomes h sine alpha equals opposite. So I can use this formula for the opposite or the height, and I can change my formula now to base times h sine alpha divided by 2. And this is how we are using our trig to get the area. So let's double check that. Right now I've got this is 119 degrees. So I'm going to cut this down the middle. So I've got two right angled triangles right here. Now I know my base is 3.4 kilometers, so my base is 3.4 kilometers. What other information do I need? Well, I need h. So if this is my base, this is my hypotenuse, 1.8 kilometers. So times 1.8 sine, my angle, 119 degrees, divided by 2. And that will give you my area. So let's work that out. 3.4 times 1.8 times sine 119 degrees divided by 2, and I have 2.67 kilometers squared. So that is my area of this space. Really hope that helps you understand on how we got the equation for the area using trig and how to substitute everything to get our answer.